The Santa Clarita Public Library is proud to offer a new, temporary service for curbside pickup of library materials you have requested. In order to keep you and staff safe and healthy, here's a quick demonstration on how to use this new service in 5 simple steps. As a friendly reminder, curbside pickup is for library materials you have already requested online or by calling us. Step 1. Park in designated space. During curbside pickup, each of the libraries will have designated parking spaces for you to use when picking up your materials. These will be clearly marked.
Step 2. Grab your library card.
Have your library card number ready or your driver's license number, which we are accepting temporarily during the COVID-19 closure. Step 3. Call us. Once you're parked, give us a call at 661-259-0750. Let us know your library card number or driver's license number. Also, let us know the space number you parked in. Please allow up to 15 minutes for library staff to gather all of the items already held for pickup. When staff have gathered all of your library items, we will check them out, bag them, and place them on a table in front of your space. Step 4. Wait in your car. Please wait in your vehicle and ensure you have a face covering ready to use when you collect your items. Step 5. Pick up items when staff are behind safety line. Once staff have dropped up your items on the table and moved beyond the red safety line, you can exit your vehicle wearing your face covering and pick up your library items. Library staff will do our best to ensure all the materials you have requested are ready. However, because of the volume of requests, you may find some of your books are available at a later date and time. We appreciate your understanding and patience during this time. As a friendly reminder, if you have library materials you need to return, please use the book drops. The library is unable to accept returns person to person at this time. Thank you.